Hey there, welcome back to SysTools YouTube channel, your go-to place for quick and easy solutions to tech challenges. In today's video, we're diving into MSG to CSV Converter. Whether you're looking for step-by-step guidance or a powerful tool to get the job done effortlessly, you're in the right place. Here at SysTools, we believe in making things simple, effective, and stress-free. That's why we'll also introduce you to an amazing tool by SysTools that can help you export MSG file to CSV file format with just a few clicks. To install the MSG Converter tool, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The first screen will appear of the tool. Explore the folders from the left side pane of the software window and navigate to the location where you have saved your MSG files. Select the folder which contains the MSG files. Once you select the folder, all files will be visible in the right side pane of the software. If you select any file, you will see the file preview in the bottom. Preview attachments by clicking on the Attachments tab. The attachment is previewed on the right corner. In Export Selected option, you can export the selected files only into the desired format. Click on Export button to initiate the bulk export procedure. A small window will appear. In this window, you will see multiple export options. We are converting into CSV format. Select the CSV radio button. You will see the default location to save converted files. If you want to change the default location, then click on the Browse button. Select the destination path. You can create a new folder also by clicking on Create New Folder option. After choose the folder, click on the OK button. At last, click on the Export button. After clicking the Export button, the progress of conversion process will be displayed. Once the export process is completed successfully, click OK. Export status window will pop up. In this window you will see Export status. You can directly access the converted file by clicking on the location. And you can view the resulting CSV file at the desired destination. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.